Rubbity rubbity. Rumbly bumbly. Rub it until it's lovely. Rubbly lovely. Rubbly lovely. It is coated evenly. Put it on the potatoes. We have marinade time. Now let's put the remaining oil on top. Oh, and I almost forgot the garlic. Put some sauce on the sauce. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, marinade time. And wash hands! Now that our hands are clean, put our chicken in the oven. Ito tayo in the oven.